Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
In this video, we're going to be working in Amagues, and we are going to use this inside a basic step.
Exercises to do at home to improve your technique. But before going to the video, remember to subscribe with notifications, like and share with your friends. That really helps.
Now let's get to work. Alright, here in the dance floor, as we promised, we are going to be doing exercises for Amagues. Amagues means fake movements. Actually, it's crossing the foot on top, in front of the other or behind the other.
So let's try that. We'll show you. This is like a straight line. So we go to the side, Amague, walk, Amague, walk, Amague, feet together and walk. And then we'll change. She goes front doing back Amague, walk, and he does front Amague, walk. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. If you notice, we keep the line because this is an exercise, so we call it pileta, swimming pool. When you go back and forward. In Buenos Aires, they use that a lot at the milongas when they do the pre-milonga class, doing piletas by yourself or like by a couple. In this case, this exercise is very, very good to improve your balance and the connection because you have to wait. There's not much lead in this case, but you have to connect with the frame, with the torso to feel the other person doing the cross and when the person is walking. So you both are very aware of the timing of each other without a very strong lead.
For the sake of the exercise, we are combining while I'm doing back Amague, she's doing front, and when I'm doing front Amague, she's doing back. Just for the exercise, of course, we can combine she's doing front and I'm doing front, or she's doing back and I'm doing back. We can start combining that. But for now, just to learn the technique, we are doing that. So
I'll show you one more time. So we do the embrace to the side step. Now, when he's crossing back, I'm crossing front. For followers, I keep the legs straight. Be careful, don't go down here. It's not good. It's not good. Doesn't look good, lines. And it's very light. I cross and I cross. So very light. Be careful, don't stay in the cruzada. Get ready the leg. When he walks forward, you feel the torso, the chest. So then I extend the leg, transfer, and right away I go to the cross. And don't stay there and cross. Wait, place the leg, wait for him to move, and you go right away to the cruzada. And cross, leg, cross, and cross. We do a rock step, and I explain for the followers the next part. And crossing back is the same. I just touch and uncross. So my time of waiting is on feet together. When he pulls, because he's walking backwards, then I extend the leg and transfer weight. Right away, cross, uncross to wait for him, and go. Cross, wait, go. And from here we do a side step. So the most important part for the follower is cross and cross. The waiting time is on feet together. To feel when he moves, I extend the leg and then transfer body weight rather than waiting the cross. I don't know when to move. I don't know when he wants me to go. Sending the leg with the torso, pulling the leader. No. So the goal for the follower is we are going to the side, cross and cross, wait for him. When he moves, I send my leg, if you notice. And then I finish transferring body weight and going to the cross right away. So timing is step cross for the follower. Stop, guys! We have something to let you know.
we would like to invite you to check out our downloadable courses in our website, miriamleonardotango.com. You can purchase them directly there, and also we are going to leave in the description below a 20% discount.
Wow, that's great. Work from home and improve your technique. Now, let's go back to the second part of the video.
For the leader, exactly the same timing. We are both using the same timing. And going front for the leaders, we are crossing back. Mainly leaders, I would say 80% of the times you will find yourself using front amagues rather than back. Yes? So, but just, of course, we want to practice the technique for all of it. We want to be ready for any kind of steps. So, in leaders, when we are doing this...
Yeah, also sometimes they do voleo, so this is a good timing exercise.
Yes. Now, leading her front amagues, the one on or when we are stepping on our left, it's easy to lead because the lead is almost like we are going into a cruzada, and then from my right side I will uncross her. That one is easy to lead. The other one is mainly an embellishment for her. We are not leading. We could, but it'll be kind of hard. So we go tuck, tuck. We don't want you to tell you to lead it and you end up doing too much arms. Yes, leave it like an embellishment for her. If she does it, she does it. If not, it's fine. So did you notice that I'm going cruzada? I could change body weight and do the cruzada regular, but I am crossing her. And one, tuck, tuck, embellishment. Going back, this is the most commonly used. We pull back, and actually the lead for hers is much easier because we pull towards this direction at the same time we cross back. Yes, it's just slightly pulling, not rotating a lot. I'm saying pulling, not rotating. So I'm pulling a little bit in line, but a little more towards my left. And I'm crossing. One, crossing. I'm pulling a little more towards my right. That will bring her into a cruzada. And then we uncross. One, and back. And then from here, of course, we can go side step.
If you are going to use the lead like Leo was explaining, please do it slower, very slow. If also you can do it without the leads, just to work on coordination and timing. So with the lead, so you can practice and she can feel the lead, do it slower because for the follower it's a lot of little subtle moves that she needs to get used to. You can do both, with and without the lead. It's a good exercise anyways.
For you to have it, also another exercise is exactly the same, but going forward, just to create another exercise, I'm going to walk without Amagues. She will do the Amagues, and when we come back, I will do the Amagues and she will not.
That's nice, yeah.
So
I can focus on the lead.
So we just keep the timing. 1, 1, 1, rock step. 1, 1, 1, wap, pam, 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 pam. Ta-dam. So that means that we can use it, we can do embellishments without leading her. We can do our own Amagues without leading her or without her trying to receive the lead.
Both are good because if you don't lead too strong, but you keep doing the rhythm, she gets used to follow you and keep the same rhythm and be able to do the Amague as an embellishment in the middle of the beat. 1 and 2, 1 and 2.
These Amagues can be in very, very, very milonguero style or also more in salon, more pista, which is also good. Great work, guys.
Yeah, you made it until the end. Remember to share with your friends, like, and see you on the next one.
Take care.